Today we will fix this 2016, the 2016 Polo Vento, or they call it just Polo 5. We have a problem with the transmission linkage. So I will show you a video first. What's the problem I found? So as you can see, the transmission doesn't work. So I found the problem and I do some research. And first of all, I'm not a mechanic. Yep. I just do my research and yeah. So troubleshooting. So my main problem is the transmission linkage, which is connected in the range transmission. The one that identifies your gears. By the way guys, this is a automatic transmission. So this one is the broken one, and if you buy this in the Philippines or in your respected dealers, this costs much more, but in this only costs 2,000 pesos for this one set of 5 piece. So this is a metal. First we need to dive in on this. So we need to remove the battery container, the holder. We need to remove this all so we could go to the transmission linkage. Okay, so I'll be needing some tools. So let's start removing this battery. So for EU cars, they always have this for winter, for cold weathers, but it's also good to have that because of for the battery protection. So this one, we need to remove these 2 bolts over here. So let's get another size. So all right, let's just open. All right, so let's remove that. You can remove it by hand now. It's easy to remove now. Okay, also got this one. To remove this one. Okay. Another one. Oops. click again. All right. So, yep. Okay. So we remove the attached fuse box, and also need to remove this one. So guys, if you have having trouble to remove some plastic clips, also could avail something like this. This is also could be helpful for some to protect your plastics. Yeah. So the plastic will not forced. Yeah. So we could remove that easily. Okay. See it. So okay guys, so we remove it. Remove all. So this is very dirty. So we set aside first. Okay. On this. So as you can see, yep, this is the problem. Yeah. So we need to fix this. But before that, we need to clean all of this because this is really dirty, and this is our chance to clean this section. So I'll show you how to clean this part. Not just water, and but we need something else, chemical. So I'll show you. Guys, before we dive into the fix, we need to clean this section. As you can see, I've cleaned this part, and I haven't cleaned this because this is, you need to remove some parts to clean this section. So this is our chance to clean this also. We have here a lubricating spray, a Kobe, or the Durust. So it protects the plastics and it protects the rubbers. So you can see the link below for our review on this part. So let's start. First, let's spray all the parts that we need to clean. If you spray it on the electricals, because this is not a non-conductor, and this is really good for cleaning. Yeah. If you and if you the brush doesn't really do the work, it just remove the resid the dirt, and you must use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe it off all. It's not 100% clean, but rather than not cleaning it. Okay guys. Okay guys, so the this is the before, and this is the after. Okay. The rubber was broken. Yeah, as you can see that, because there's heat in the engine, and it was from traveling long drives. So it's really important that we have a spare of this. So now I'll show you how to repair this. So first, this is the broken rubber, so we'll just remove this. Okay, so just put it aside, and here, yep, we need to remove this by using a hex or a torque screw or a socket. So as for this, I'll prefer the torque screw if you have. So let's use a torque screw. Okay. Okay, that that did the work. Yep, it's really important that you have alternative tools, because the other tools doesn't have give much power to remove some parts. So this one, the socket one, can remove the part. So okay, this is a broken one. So the replacement, to get the replacement, so this is the replacement. We need to put this and align it in here. So let's open this first. Okay. So guys, as you can see, we've managed now to replace this part. This is now from the AliExpress, which is I've ordered online. So it fits well, yeah. And the adjustment is, this is currently in park. So that's the park. So it's fixed and it's not moving. You need to be sure that the linkage here is fixed, so you will not be cause more troubles in the future. And also you must measure it properly, so it needs to be tightened. So now for this, we will return all the battery assembly and let's test this out. Okay, so as you can see here guys, we also clean the battery container, the battery holder that we've removed. So let's start to assemble it again. Okay guys, we bring back all the parts of the battery assembly. It's all of it. Okay, you can see we bring back fuse box. Yeah, so yeah, we fix the linkage over there because it is broken and lately, and now we fix it. Now we so guys, if you have a cover of this fuse box, please comment down below. I really need it because I want to protect this part. The fuse box was lost. I don't know when, but it is missing. But for now, I am looking for a part, just the cover. So comment down below if you have it. So now we will start the engine and we will try the transmission. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, right now we'll try to start it, and currently it is in park mode, park gear. So let's crank this up. Let's turn off the AC. Let's go. Okay, it's a cold start, that's why the engine is really loud. And for this, currently we have P, as you can see, and you could compare it to the previous video. It is in P, and we will move this on neutral. Okay, it is now in neutral, and be sure to press the brake before changing gears. So we'll move this to drive, slowly in drive. Okay, it is now in drive mode. Reverse, and it's on park. Yep, just drive and try to the manual part still working. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and that's our DIY for today. Thank you.